What's up, everybody? So we finally got the PlayStation 5 delivered to our doorstep. This is the bundle from Ant Online. You can see on the tape, do not display before November 12th. Just got a couple days after launch, thankfully. Okay. So we have an extra controller. I don't think it comes with any cables. We have Demon Souls Remake and Spider-Man Ultimate Edition. So that should come with the extra Spider-Man game in it, if I'm not mistaken. And then, oh my goodness, here it is. PlayStation 5 Disc Edition. Goes up to 8K apparently. We'll have to see how this looks on the TV. So I guess all we do is untape the top, and then this actually might be simpler than what I was imagining. I just saw it at my brother's house, and it's huge. It's the size of a computer tower. Okay. I may have to stand to be corrected on this. It's kind of... Okay, y'all can't see. But there's like a triple layer of like boxes going on here. The controller just popped out. Okay. Power cable... guides. Okay. Thankfully it has one of these cables for the controller. Here's the stand. HDMI 2.1. That is thick. So the new HDMI standard. And then, oh, way deep in there. Here, okay. Here we go. Here she is. All right, all nice and shiny. PlayStation 5. There it is. Thanks for watching. Start getting this all set up.